Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by gathering essentials: original degree, government ID, 2 passport photos, and clear photocopies. Once done, find your student number and graduation year. These are required for the form. Next, choose online or in-person submission. Online is faster. Then create an account on the Osmania University student portal or collect the transcript application form from the examination branch. Make sure to have a debit/credit card or challen ready, because once your account is set or you have the physical form, fill every field carefully: program name, roll number, exam year, and postal address for delivery. Then attach scanned copies of your degree, mark sheets, and ID in the specified formats. Confirm file sizes and names. After that, choose the payment method: online or challen at an affiliated bank, complete payment, and preserve the payment receipt. Finally, note the application reference number. It's essential for tracking and inquiries. When the university processes your request, monitor the status using your reference number. Typical processing ranges from 2 to 6 weeks depending on backlog. If approved, you can either collect the sealed transcript in person by presenting the payment receipt or request registered post or courier delivery for a fee. If you face delays, call the examination branch and provide the reference. Make sure to escalate politely. As a last resort, file a written complaint or an RTI for official acknowledgement. This often speeds up resolution.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.